Ayan, our target here is to determine the roots of quadratic equation 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, gagamitan natin ng tatlong method. Okay, ipapakita ko ang buong video, ilalagay ko ang buong video ito. Ginamit natin ang factoring method, completing the square, at ginamitan din natin ang quadratic formula. Pero iisa yung given, magkakaiba ng method. Ilalagay ko sa link ang buong video para mapanood nyo yung kumpletong method. Okay? Okay, start tayo sa ating factoring method. Again, determine the roots of quadratic equation 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Ito lang yung ating given. Okay, simulan natin. Okay, start tayo dito sa ating factoring method. Ito yung ating given. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Ano lang muna ang unang mong gagawin? Maglagay ka muna ng dalawang parenthesis, yung dalawang quantity. Ayan. Then, equal 0. Okay, then, kukunin mo yung factors ng ating 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, ano muna yung variable? Ang given, x. Okay, ang gagawin natin dito ay AC method. I-multiply natin to, yung value ng a, dun sa 3. Doon sa ating constant. Okay, magiging x squared plus 5x minus 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so meaning x squared plus 5x minus 6. Nagbago ngayon ang ating quadratic trinomial. Then, kunin natin ang factors nito. Okay, ano yung factors nito? We have x plus 6 and x minus 1. Okay, yan yung factors ng x squared plus 5x minus 6. Sa nagtatanong paano ito nakuha, okay, nandyan sa aking video, sa una kong upload, kung paano ito kinukuha. Okay, x plus 6, x minus 1, kung paano kunin ng madali. Okay, ito ngayon ang factors natin. Okay, x plus 6, x minus 1. Then, since tinanggal natin yung value ng a, which is 2, i-divide natin sa 2. Okay, i-divide natin sa 2. Okay, ano mangyayari? X plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then, we have 2x minus 1. Okay, ito ngayon ang factors natin. X plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Okay, ayusin lang natin. Okay, we have x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Then, i-equate natin sila sa 0. X plus 3 equals 0. Then, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, then, what will happen? X equals negative 3. Ito yung una nating root. Next, second root natin, we have 2x equals 1. Naging positive na yung 1. Then, divide both sides by 2. 2. X equals 1 half. Okay, so meaning, ang roots natin nakuha ay negative 3 and 1 half. Ayan, ang sunod naman nating method ay completing the square. Ito rin yung ating given kanina. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Ang gagawin mo lang, first step, iliban mo muna yung ating constant term sa right side. 2x squared plus 5x equals 3. Bakit positive 3? Kasi negative yon, naging positive 3. Next step, i-divide natin both sides by the value of a, which is 2. Yung ating numerical coefficient ng ating quadratic term, which is 2. Ayan, makakancel na yan. We have x squared plus 5 over 2x equals 3 over 2. Okay, next, ang gagawin natin, imumultiply natin to dun sa 1 half, then saka natin i-square. X squared plus 5 over 2x plus blank, maglalagay muna tayo ng blank, equals 3 over 2 plus blank. Ganyan ang completing the square. Then kukunin natin ang kanyang, yung idadagdag natin dito. Para makomplete ang square, ang gagawin natin? Ang formula natin, 1 half times yung value ng ating b, which is positive 5 over 2, 5 over 2, ang sagot dito, 1 half times 5 over 2, 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4, then i-square natin to. Okay, 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. Okay, laging ganito ang process natin. I-multiply sa 1/2 yung value ng b, then i-square natin. Kaya 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. Kaya i-add natin siya sa 25 over 16. 25 over 16. Okay, next. Ito na ngayon ang ating quadratic trinomial. Anong gagawin natin dito? Co-convert natin ito sa square of binomial. Okay, we have x plus, ano yung kanyang square of binomial? Yung hindi pa na-i-square kanina, which is 5 over 4. Since positive sila, kaya plus din. 5 over 4 squared. Okay, so meaning ito ay kinonvert natin dito sa square of binomial. Ito naman ay quadratic trinomial, ginawang square of binomial. Equals, ayan. Dito naman, kunin natin ang LCD, which is between two denominators, 2 and 16. Ang LCD niya ay 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Copy the operation plus. 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 25 is 25. Kaya meron ngayon tayong 24 plus 25. Okay, simplify natin. X plus 5 over 4 squared equals 49 over 16. Okay, as we can see, perfect square yung right side natin, perfect square din yung denominator, get the square root. Okay, kukunin natin square root both sides. Ayun. Kaya ang sagot ay x plus 5 over 4 equals positive negative 7 over 4. Bakit 7 over 4? Kasi pwede natin siyang i-distribute, square root of 49, which is 7, square root of 16, 4. Kaya meron ngayon tayong x plus 5 over 4 equals positive negative 7 over 4. Okay, sa ating x sub 1, ang ating x sub 1, ililiban na natin to. Gagamitin mo natin ang plus. Okay, so meaning, negative 5 over 4 plus 7 over 4. Okay, x sub 1, yung ating first root, parehas lang sila ng denominator, which is 4. Negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. Kaya ang x sub 1 natin ay 1/2. Okay, next. Sa x sub 2 naman natin, second root, negative 5 over 4, minus naman ang gagamitin nating operation. Minus 7 over 4. Kaya x sub 2 equals, isa lang ang denominator, same, similar fraction, copy the denominator 4. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. Okay, then, what will happen? X sub 2 is negative 12 over 4 is negative 3. Therefore, the second root is negative 3. Paano naman gamitin itong sunod na method na gagamitin natin? Quadratic formula. Okay, paano naman siya gamitin? Iisa lang din ang ating given, 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Again, ang quadratic formula natin in the form of x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, sa ating standard form, saan ba ito galing? Ito ay galing sa ating standard form na ginamitan na completing the square. Okay, gawin natin. First step, i-identify muna natin kung anong value ng a. Ang value ng a ay yung katabi ng quadratic term x squared, which is 2. Value ng b, katabi ng x, which is positive 5. At ang value ng c, yung constant term, negative 3. Substitute natin, x equals negative b. Negative 5, positive negative, square root of, anong value ng b? 5 squared minus 4 times, value ng a is 2. Value ng c is negative 3. Okay, next, over 2a. Ang value ng a ay 2. Okay, next, x equals negative 5, positive negative, square root of 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Okay, so meaning, ara ay magiging plus 24 na. Kasi dalawa na yung magne-negative. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, over 2 times 2 is 4. Then x equals negative 5, positive negative, square root of 25 plus 24 is 49 over 4. Okay, next, we have x equals negative 5 Positive, negative, square root of 49 is 7 over 4. Ito na yun yung ating result. Isisimplify na lang natin. First root x sub 1 is, gamitin muna natin yung positive. Negative 5 plus 7 over 4. X sub 1 is, negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. Pag magkaiba ng sign, sinusubtract. Then, kinokopya yung sign ng mas malaking number. Kaya, positive 2 over 4. X sub 1 is 2/4. Pag nireduce natin sa lowest term is 1/2. Ang ating first root ay 1/2. Next, second root natin, x sub 2, negative 5. Yung negative naman ang gagamitin natin, negative 7 over 4. X sub 2 is, negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12 over 4. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. Ayan. Pare-parehas lang din ang nakuha nating sagot, pero tatlong method ang ginamit natin dun sa original quadratic equation given 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0.